I hit a toge on the way back home and I saw what looks to be a V8 on the side of the road.
Dude, the motor for the Z? We're not getting that up that high. We've worn ourselves out now.
Well, we already made it all the way out here. We gotta get something. I'm wearing my fucking Animal Z merch.
Animal Z merch.
Let's try it. Go.
Oh my god. It's BQ power right there.
Work now. All the guys are at my shop working on their own cars. I'll be back in the evening. Just kind of want to show what I'm doing today. Even though I'm not able to join it for most of the day, we'll still get some stuff done.
Meanwhile.
Like power steering fluid. They look the same. Because the drip got less. So I'd say clean it all the way up to the oil filter.
Yeah!
We're gonna go over there so that we don't break more grass.
Bet. What are we about to do?
Mustang this thing.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna find out.
Break!
It's BQ power right there.
Yeah. Look. I pity the nigga that stepped to me though. Flow too clean, I might buy new tuxedos. Been the shit since 9 later popping and buying hot Cheetos. Shit a freak though, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Mean that right, really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug niggas. Never gotta help them pops, they need some love, nigga. Liquor messing out the pain, so pull up, nigga. Not too far from it. Everything I done seen and done it. Late night running, hitting houses and police coming. We ain't have nothing. House was cold, we were open oven. Now we eating good, just hold ice, let's put buns in oven. Bakeries linked up with Quinn and started making cheese. Sushi overseas, the service is speaking Japanese. Flights to Paris, I'm at the Louvre to see Mona Lisa. Got a Sonata with ripped seats and oil leaks. Kicking shit like Messi, little nigga, you shouldn't test me. Right so good, just started working on my lefty. I be climbing up the charts if these niggas let me. Getting everything that's mine, I'm charging niggas levies. Fuck relaxing and I stay in action. Natural believer got me feeling like Imagine Dragons. 2017 I quit my job because it had to happen. Make my daughter proud. Look at me, or this your daddy rapping.
Just like that. Back at the shop. Oh, that doesn't sound very good. It's fine. I'm letting them know I'm here though. Roll back. Still rolling backwards. Where they at? Where are they at? Huh. Well, the Prelude isn't here. I wonder if maybe they went on a ride in Nathan's car or something. Caleb's car is here. What are they doing? Huh. This is completely taken apart. Wow. Okay. No door card. Oh, wow. What? You got a passenger door card. Yo, that looks really good. And even got a handle. Dude, what? That's sick. This looks really clean. So, what's up with the Mustang? Because that's what I have the most questions about. Because I've seen what's up with this.
Why don't we use the good camera?
Okay, Caleb, get the good camera. So, it's our friend Nancy's birthday soon. Well, actually, it was yesterday. But we're celebrating it tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Anyways, she likes the moon. So, I'm going to make a sheet metal moon for Nancy.
Freehand?
That looks like garbage.
Yeah.
You add and then draw a nice moon. Draw a nice moon.
Here, erase it. That is better. Can somehow that stay on, please?
Okay. Now we go over to the cutting machine. We gotta get better lights over here because we use this machine a lot.
Yeah. Very dark. Hell organized.
Tyler, you left such a mess over here.
No, I did not. I found it like that. Don't even fucking start.
Shit.
That's how you cut it.
I found it like that. You left it like that. I'm the clean motherfucker in this goddamn house.
Foundation. We all just trying to build a foundation. Wait, hold on.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
What we doing?
What are we doing?
No, we're getting a motor.
We still in the V8. Maybe.
So this is what we doing. I hit a tollgate road on the way back.
Here. I was explaining what we was doing. Come back
Oh,
here.
but I'm the one that found the motor.
Come back here.
I hit a tollgate on the way back home, and I saw what looks to be a V8 on the side of the road.
Come back down here.
So
and if it's an inline four, we're leaving his ass on the side of the road.
It's definitely a V.
If
I
you-
think it's a V8. It looks like a V8.
Misidentified a motor.
I was driving fast past
You misidentified a motor.
I know it's a V motor.
Shut the f up. We got the truck going. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Go here.
Wait, what is it?
It is a V8. I'm trying
Oh,
to figure out what it is. It almost looks like a 1UZ, but I could be wrong. I don't really know. We'll find markings on the block, but
Dude, the motor for the Z? What is it?
Oh, this shit's heavy, bro.
Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
this
wait,
is
wait.
heavy.
Let me get in the back and we can try to lift it up to me.
No.
Wait,
It's
put
heavy,
it.
dude.
Can we not?
Bro, it's clearly a cast block. This thing is not light.
Well, let's do a test.
bitch.
Let's do a test lift like we did last time.
Hold on. Get a good grip. Everybody get a good
Ready?
grip.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we can do this.
Wait.
Why do we do this every time? Can we stage it? Can we put it up on something and then go from there?
Yeah.
Because we need to
Put it
do
on the
that.
bed.
No. The bed's high as.
Okay.
Do we have anything we can put
Hey, there's a mound of dirt right here.
Go. Easy.
Don't drop it.
Watch your feet, please.
Keep them
There's no oil can to watch the car.
This is bad. This is not look good.
This is really bad.
We carried the engine to the dirt mound,
I'll put the filter back in.
and that's another car coming.
I see.
Looks a little sketchy.
It is. Tyler. Oh, you're good. I think this will be good.
All right, let me set the camera up.
All right.
I hope no cops come.
I mean, like, we're not doing anything illegal.
No, we're not.
We're actually cleaning up. We're
Although-
helping the environment.
Who the f looks like they dumped it? The one with the sports car and the exhaust in the back?
Shut the f up. Let's get it in the truck.
It's really hard to lift
I'm
from this
slipping
mountain. Yeah,
around.
I'm slipping off the mountain.
I almost think it'd be easier if we just left
They
it.
left it alone.
I think it'd be easier if we just left it straight up on the ground. I don't think we need this mount.
Kick your feet into it. It's not that compact. Just kick your feet in.
I'm wearing blazers right now, please.
I'm in the burner, so.
Well, you chose to come lift a motor.
You're in the burner.
Yeah.
God damn.
We told you what was happening.
Yeah, these are gonna be totaled.
totaled.
Salvage title.
Hard.
I think we'll have more traction if we just put it from the ground. I think we should do that.
But we're not gonna be tall enough.
I think we can do it.
No, I don't
Wait,
think
wait,
we
wait. No.
Just look.
Put this
We're
down.
lifting it like this, and we just.
Yeah, but we can't hook an engine.
An engine is not a huh thing.
Are we lifting? We should have just brought tools and disassembled it.
This is really
What if we make the mound flat?
What if we put it back on the ground and we set it flat up straight and down
Let's do
here?
that.
Okay.
Yeah, here. The mound is now not round. Tell
I'm
Ozzy.
wearing my fucking Animal Z merch.
Animal Zemer.
I'm in my MLZ merch.
Guys,
shut up.
I need to take off my jacket.
Hell, what did we get ourselves
Come on,
into?
Oh my god, this is so heavy.
3, 2, 1. Down. Okay. We're not getting that up that high.
That's what I've been saying.
We've worn ourselves out now.
Let's just give it one shot and we can go get more people. We have a truck.
More people. No one's coming out here with us.
No one's gonna want to do this. Well, we already made it all the way out here. We gotta get
I was
something.
gonna say, we need to get this f***ing motor. We can do it. 3, 2.
Let's try. Go.
Oh my god. Alright, watch yourself, watch yourself.
Oh, twist it.
Twist it. Wait, hold on. Slide it.
Let me get right here.
Yeah. Slide it. Okay, wait.
Let me get in.
Yeah. Here, pull the chain. I got it.
Go.
Okay, wait. We're just tipping it. Yeah. Ready?
Go. Let's plant the line here.
Get up. Hold on.
We really just left our New Year's Eve party to go pick up a V8.
the side
by
of
the
the
way, Tyler's car is gutted now.
Yeah.
We did that. Well, you did that.
I did that.
You did that.
Rocking around.
Let's go! So yeah, there's a V8 in the back of that truck.
Okay. We left the party. We got the V8. We're going back to the party now with the V8.
We're gonna rotate it here and then drop it. You will have your business here.
It's fried.
Alright, ready? Alright, 3. Caleb, watch out. No, just move. Oh my god, bro.
Bro would have been dead if he stayed there.
Jesus Christ.
I'm not either. I just showed him to fix my Mustang.
Okay, and now we have a Ford motor.
Alright, that's good.
Alright.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Make sure you have a. Oh god.
Bro, having all the cylinders, bro.
Oh no. Oh, we don't have compression. There's no piston.
No piston in that one.
Oh god.
No! Wait, we gotta make sure it's sparked too. Hold on.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not sparked?
Oh,
There we go,
okay, we got
spark.
spark. Wait. I wonder if it dropped the valve. Oh my god, I think it dropped the valve.
Well, the piston's done.
I'm all muddy now. I'm covered in engine cleaner. Oh, the phone. Wait. Make sure you clean it out. Make sure you clean it out good. Yeah.
Make sure the engine's properly.
Make sure you clean it out good. Hell yeah. All right, okay.
Put it in the car. Don't get back to the customer.
This would crank right now.
All right, so it's been like a month and a half since we recorded that original video where we got the motor, and the only thing we did was take the valve cover off.
The only thing I did.
He did it yesterday.
Organized
So
everything, cleaned everything, started resurfacing surfaces. I did a lot more than just take a valve cover off. I've been working. I turned the crank and I could hear compression in a cylinder, and then I did a full rotation, and then we heard a boom, and then it sounded like it either dropped a valve in on itself and shattered it, because it sounds like someone threw a glass bottle just down the motor when I turned it all the way over.
this is the outro because we didn't record an outro when we should have.
You know,
and
2 months
this
ago.
video's been postponed for a month and a half because of that. So very nice.
Yeah, got me some
Christmas.
truck struts. You want to see why?
Oh, finally. All right, I need to end this video. This video's been going on for way too long.
For 2 months.
Yeah, plus more V8 stuff in the future. This isn't going in any car, by the way. I don't know if I specified that. This isn't going to go in a car.
I'm making it into a table.
We're gonna make a table out of the block. Eventually we'll get a V8, but not this one.
Not a shitty Ford.
No, this is a 4 point.
It's a 250. It's a 4.6 250 V8.
All right, bye. Way too overdue.